Hey, what's going on, guys? Kyle over at Elite Edge Gym here today to talk to you about an internal-external shoulder exercise that we perform oftentimes in our upper body days in our boot camp classes. And this is called a dumbbell Cuban press. Now, the Cuban press can be done with a barbell as an advanced option as well, and occasionally we'll use a barbell for an advanced option for this exercise. But I'm going to demonstrate it for you with a pair of dumbbells. The large majority of your clients are going to want to opt for dumbbells when they're performing this exercise. Now, it is an internal-external rotation exercise, but there's also going to be a pressing motion, and that pressing motion is going to be straight overhead. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with my dumbbells over my legs, right like so, in a pronated position. I'm going to elevate with my elbows first. Elbows are going to come up to shoulder height, okay? My first coaching cue for you is to watch the elbows very closely. Oftentimes what you will see is we'll elevate elbows first and those elbows will drop under like so. You want those elbows to stay high the entire time as you perform that first rotation, okay? So elbows come high, we rotate, and we press. Now from here, I'm going to bring my elbows back down, internally rotate, and set those dumbbells back down, okay? Next coaching cue for you is start your clients slow. If they don't quite understand the mechanics of the exercise, have them go really light with 5-pound dumbbells, have them first focus on bringing elbows up, externally rotating, pressing, bringing them back down, internally rotating, and bringing those dumbbells back down. But in real speed, it's a nice fluid motion that we're performing with our Cuban press, okay? If you have somebody that really struggles with it, you can even go as light as body weight to start off with. Just focus on that. If you need regressions or substitutions, my recommendation is have them do isolated internal-external rotation exercises instead. Something like a band internal and external rotation is a great alternative for somebody that's at a beginner level. Anyway, give these coaching cues a try the next time we do dumbbell Cuban presses in one of our workouts.